one of my kawaii crafting buddies, Miss Eddie Blue, she has sent me an adorable little package, very sparkly as well. And yeah, so whatever is inside of here, I'm going to be using to create something. I don't know what's in there, so I can't tell you what I'm going to make just yet, but I am very excited to open it up, see what's inside, and use the contents to make something super duper cute. So without further ado, let's get inside. She did actually let me know that there are going to be a few little Halloween bits in there, so yeah, hopefully we can do something a little bit spoopy. It's your girl Ayesha, and I'm super duper excited to get into this package. So it came all the way from Canada here to sunny Brighton in the UK, and yeah, I want to see what's inside. I can see little Kiki there, just like peeking through the packaging. I think that there might be some little twin star stuff involved. There may be some Halloween stuff involved. Where are my scissors? Where are my pink scissors? Pink scissors at the ready. Now let's carefully crack open this packaging. I fully appreciate the holographic mailbag, Eddie. Thank you very, very much. Now Eddie has an Etsy store called Blue's Kawaii Slimes, where she sells like really cute like crafting products and like slime products and stuff like that. So I will drop a link in the description box below so you guys can check out her store. But yeah, I just want to get into this. I'm excited. I've had this here for quite some time, and your girl's been busy, man. Your girl has been busy. So I wanted to be able to fully dedicate enough time to this, so that's why it's taken me a little while, so I apologize. Anyway, it's open. Can you tell I'm excited? Because it's something different, isn't it? Like, it's been a while since I've had like a different kind of craft package, you know. We've got shred, and we have we've got some of the confetti stars I have just hoovered up today, and now I've just chucked it all on the floor. Let me I'm so excited. It doesn't take much to make me happy, it really doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna just start pulling things out one by one. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Hold on, let me focus. Look at the twin stars. Look at Kiki and Lala in all their glory. These are adorable, and they're nice and small, so I can use these in shakers. I can use these in rings. These are so cute. What else? What else have you got for me, girl? Ooh. Oh, so that was just like a little like additional thing. The whole kit is actually inside of this. Oh my god. Hold on, wait. Is there anything else in here? Okay, so here is her business card. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of matching the business card as well, you know. Oh my gosh. And do you know what's funny? I actually did have on a choker. Let me show you. I actually had this on. I thought, actually, no, let me just take this off because it's a little bit too much. But look at that. It exactly matches. How weird is that? So I kind of matched the box, kind of matched the bag, kind of matched the card. Anyway, it's not about me. But this is a really, really cute business card. This is absolutely gorgeous. Blue's Kawaii Slimes. And she is Miss Eddie Blue on YouTube. Definitely do check her out. Okay, so, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I think that this is like a little Twin Stars like resin kit. Sorry, I'm just a bit like you guys would know I love me some Twin Stars, okay? Oh my goodness, look at the oh no, okay, hold on, look at this. We have wings and we have stars and we have hearts. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, we have gold and we have silver. Oh, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. And just look at all of these beautiful stars. Look at that. I'm just, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna have to show you these like bit by bit, okay? Because they're just too gorgeous. We have to appreciate. I think that these in particular would make some really, really adorable hair clips. You know, like the really nice sort of dangly hair clips that you can get. very sort of like a sort of sweet Lolita style. Like, I think that would just look so adorable. Look at these little puffy hearts here as well. Look at them, like, especially together in a cluster. Like, they just look so beautiful, and they're so sparkly as well. And then you've got the little mini stars too to go with them, or even maybe some earrings. Yeah. Ooh, the cogs are turning. The cogs are turning. Okay, let's see what else we have. By the way, I will do like a full pan over of everything. Right now, I'm just excited to open it up. Please bear with me. And next, we have some adorable. This is like cross-grain ribbon. I think it's called. Is it cross-grain? I think that's what it is. This is nice. Look at them. Oh my gosh. You could use this for making like lanyards, or for when you do keychains. You could use that as like the strap for like a bag charm maybe. Okay, I absolutely love the fact that she's included some jump rings, but they are super, super duper cute. Come on, look at this mold as well. So here we have a lovely little rainbow mold. I think this looks like it was part of like a multi-pack, and then she kind of like cut it down to size to make it easier to fit into the packaging. But this is very cute. These would make lovely earrings as well, actually. Imagine these, but then with like maybe the tiny stars like dangling from above them. That would look so cute. Oh my gosh. The packaging, I can't. The packaging is too much. Look at the confetti, but look at the packaging. Eddie, where do you get this from? It's so sweet. I love that everything is so well thought out in terms of like what you've chosen. Because like your confetti, if you see here, you've got moons and stars, of course, little twin stars. But look at the color choice here for the confetti with the pink, yellow and blue. Absolutely perfect. Oh, we have more as well. We have this one here. Oh, hello. We have this set here in the pink, yellow, blue and silver. Oh, this is so sweet. What am I going to make? Also, where is the Halloween, honey? You said that there might be some Halloween stuff in here. I don't see no Halloween. It got me all like spooked up. And I don't see any. Okay, we've got some more cross-grain ribbon. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The thing I love about little twin stars is that like whenever I look at any photos of them, like I just get transported to this magical fairyland, and it's wonderful. And that's just where I want to be for the rest of my days. What's next? Ooh, we have an ice cream cone. Yes, I fully approve of a minty blue ice cream cone. I like that. Gosh, there's so much in here. Oh my god. Oh, so we have this is so cool. We have pink, yellow and blue jump rings. I like this though. I like the star lollipop. That is adorable. That can just be a necklace straight off the bat, okay? That's so cool. We have a little bell, but it's got little star eyelets in it. Oh my god. Oh, and look at these. These can also be made into earrings straight off the bat as well. We have this star with a hole in it at the top, and we also have this moon. The color coordination is so on point. So on point. I love this. I love the whole thing. All of it. All of it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at the little Diddy spaceship. Oh my god. Do any of you get like really affected by color? I've spoken about this before on the channel. Like, I don't know what it is, but certain colors just make me have a very euphoric kind of feeling. Certain color combinations really do it for me. Pink, yellow and blue are one of those combinations. Pink and mint I absolutely adore. Pink, purple and blue, you know, are my favorite colors. So seeing them all together, I get really, really happy. Which color combinations make you feel like absolutely amazing? Let me know, if any. Let me know in the comments, because this is just like making me really happy right now. I don't know what it is, but like I just feel like at peace when I see these colors together. So adorable. Oh, come on, look at the little shooting star. Because they've already got little eyelets in, not eyelets, sorry, little eye pins in. These are ready to go onto like a charm bracelet straight off the bat, you know. Little unicorn horn, adorable. Even my camera can't even focus. It's just like there's just so much cuteness. Oh my gosh, look at that. No, come on now. No, this is too much. Okay, look at these little confetti packs. This is perfection. These little unicorns here, look how small they are. Imagine those in shakers. Look at the little Kiki and Lala. Can we just? No, they're so cute. Are they little clouds in there as well? Look at the clouds. I love clouds. Oh my God. Oh, this is too much. It's too much. I can't handle it. It's too much. I still haven't seen anything Halloween, by the way. We've got some lovely blue and teal jump rings. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Even the tape that she used is Little Twin Stars. Oh my God. Oh my goodness me. Oh, look. There's some little itty bitty shakers. No way. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. My cheeks hurt from grinning so much. Oh my gosh. Just look. Oh my God. Look at the little cupcake. Oh my God. Them in their little moon boat. Oh my days. Too much. And then we've got some more cute little like stars and oh, that one's just asleep. Look, a little sleepy star. Oh God. It's disgustingly cute, basically. Okay, so we have some bails here as well. This is what you'd use to put on the back of your jewelry. Say if you're gonna make like a necklace or a key ring or something. We have a clasp that you can use for a bag charm. Oh, I've got this, I think. I've got that bezel. So you can use that to either make hair clips, because she's got some little hair slides in there. You can use it to make whatever you want. Oh, that's nice. Look at this unicorn? Child, I can't even speak right now. Look at this unicorn confetti here. This one. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away by the details. It's all about the little details, and you know so much love went into putting this together, innit? So happy. Oh my God. Oh, these beads are nice. These beads are beautiful. I've just seen some chain link. Oh my gosh. Hold on. It's like a sort of frosted colour. So it's not quite transparent. Not even quite translucent. It's just very sort of frosted. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. These are nice as well. Lots of cool, different coloured beads. And oh, these are cute. Oh, look at these little cabochons. Look at this. Oh, the little squirrel on the top. Oh my God. More beads. These are gorgeous. She's also included some little eye screws too, in case you needed those. More jump rings. More jump rings. Oh, I'm very, very grateful for these. They are beautiful. More jump rings. And we have brooch backs and veils. And we have some different types of clasps here as well. I do like these heart ones. These are nice, and we've got a nice star one there. Right, okay, so I'm now gonna do a little pan across everything so you can see everything that she has given me. I can't believe this, oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Right, at this very moment in time, I don't know what I'm actually going to make. Do check out the link in the description box below so you can see her Etsy store. Grab yourself some little goodies from there, and yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Because I don't know what I'm gonna make right now, but the next thing you see will be what I make. there you have it, my darlings. The most extra bottle charm ever. Is it highly impractical? Yes, it is. Do I care? No. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.